To change your T-Mobile router settings, start by accessing the admin panel. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.12.1 or the gateway IP address listed on your router. Log in using admin as the username and either the router serial number or the PIN from the T-Mobile Home Internet app as the password. Immediately change these default credentials for security. The admin dashboard allows you to configure various settings, including Wi-Fi, bands, and security options. Remember, T-Mobile routers now feature automatic band optimization and enhanced security protocols like WPA3. Understanding these basics is crucial before making any changes. In the Wi-Fi settings, you can change the network name, also known as SSID, and set a strong password. Choose security modes like WPA2 or WPA3 for protection. Consider creating a guest network for visitors to keep your main network secure. Use MAC filtering to restrict access by allowing only specific devices. T-Mobile routers support LTE, 5G, and potentially 6G bands. You can manually select bands to prioritize speed or coverage. In advanced settings, access the 5 GHz Wi-Fi configuration to adjust channels and power. Enable firewalls to protect your network from external threats. Ensure VPN pass-through is enabled for secure remote connections. Keep router firmware updated through the T-Mobile app to protect against vulnerabilities. Balancing these settings optimizes performance and security.